Today we are assembling the WX130 subwoofer. It is an installation subwoofer, and this is its output duct. The extremely powerful Matthew, who is carrying the box made entirely of metal. What will be its approximate weight? It will weigh over 10 kilos. Here is the heart of this subwoofer. Notice the significant magnet. The cooling process is ongoing. The item is labeled, assembled, tested, and ready for installation. I would also say this doesn't seem light to me. At present, the audio weighs approximately 10 kilograms. We currently measure audio in kilograms. Inside, you can observe the sound-absorbing material, and we have implemented an anti-noise treatment on the entire surface of the cabinet. This powerful audio device has the capability to handle 1000 watts RMS and 2000 peak watts, which is a remarkable feature. We will proceed with the mounting process very soon. Matteo, I acknowledge your presence. This subwoofer is frequently concealed within furniture and is commonly utilized for home theater systems. The only visible component of this subwoofer, once it is installed, is the output tube, also known as the fringe. If it is installed in furniture, it is typically directed downwards. The bottom part of the furniture is drilled to face the floor, ensuring that nothing is visible in this particular case. Alternatively, for drywall installations, we also provide a kit with a flush wall aesthetic, allowing for an almost invisible installation. Our primary goal is to seamlessly integrate the subwoofer into any environment, thereby delivering an exceptional audio experience. Other sound-absorbing material. I capture the most beautiful moment. Let us attach the flange using its nice output pipe. Within this subwoofer, a high-pressure environment is generated, requiring the use of screws in the flange at intervals of 6 centimeters to ensure stability. Now I position the centering template of the label. We proceed to brand the product by creating a distinctive identity for it. Here it is. This is the Garvan branded subwoofer. The connector has also been mounted, and now we will proceed with the testing process. Subwoofer has been assembled and is now ready to thrill. Although not visible in the video, we have thoroughly tested the subwoofer to ensure its quality. It is now prepared for packaging, as we carefully place it inside the sturdy wooden box. Along with the subwoofer, we include assembly instructions and a test certificate. To finalize the process, we proceed with fitting the cover and securely screwing in the screws. With these steps completed, the subwoofer is now fully ready for shipping. Stay updated, subscribe to our social media. Thanks, see you. The day can sub, thanks, see you.